Donald Trump pleaded not guilty today to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records after an investigation into hush money paid to porn star Stormy Daniels.
Under New York state law, it is a felony to falsify business records with intent to defraud and an intent to conceal another crime. That is exactly what this case is about. 34 false statements made to cover up other crimes. These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are.
After the hearing, Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg spoke with the press.
We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
Prior to his arraignment, Trump said nothing as he walked past police and through a hallway in the courthouse before entering the courtroom for the proceeding before a judge. The first sitting or former U.S. president to face criminal charges, Trump was indicted by a Manhattan grand jury last week in a case stemming from a 2016 hush money payment to Daniels, though the specific charges had yet to be disclosed. Now the details are being released, and Trump's lawyers say it's an attack.
His reaction was exactly what would happen if it happened to anybody that I'm looking at now or anybody that's hearing what you're saying. He's frustrated, he's upset, but I'll tell you what, he's motivated, and it's not going to stop him, and it's not going to slow him down.
Trump traveled from his Florida home, Mar-a-Lago, yesterday and stayed overnight at his Trump Tower residence before traveling to New York criminal court in a motorcade shortly before his arraignment. There are only photos of Trump inside the courtroom, no video, even though media outlets requested to broadcast the historic proceedings. Trump's lawyers urged the judge to reject the media's request for cameras in the courtroom. The judge ruled that only still photos would be allowed before the hearing began. Outside of the Manhattan courthouse, protesters, both for and against Trump.
We are in a dangerous territory because once the floodgates are open, we're going to have other prosecutors who will start targeting elected officials that they don't like.
President Trump, we love you. We support you. Thank you for everything you're doing for us.
Donald Trump is a joke, right? He's a very dangerous joke. He's been making fun of everything. He's making a travesty of everything. Just everything is like, well, how do I get attention to myself? He loves the circus, but today's a very serious day in our country.
Trump's lawyer says this isn't the end.
The indictment itself is boilerplate. It doesn't allege any federal crime, any state crime that's been violated. It doesn't allege what the false statement is. And it's really disappointing. It's sad, and we're going to fight it.